Morning all of you. Hydroxy compounds called alcohols. In this video we are going to discuss about esterification reaction. Alcohols and phenols react with carboxylic acid, acid chlorides and acid anhydride to form esters. Both alcohol, aliphatic alcohol and aromatic alcohol. Now I start with the aliphatic alcohol. CH3, CH2, OH. Primary alcohol, aliphatic alcohol. 2 carbon eth single bond N OH all ethanol. When treated with carboxylic acid HO, C double bond O CH3. Common name acetic acid, IUPAC name 2 carbon eth single bond N oic acid ethanoic acid, and treated in presence of concentrated acid. For example, concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. What happens? From alcohol 1 H plus and from acid OH minus is removed as water molecule. The carbon plus is added to O minus, gives an ester. So CH3, CH2, O, C double bond O, CH3 plus loss of H2O. CH3, C double bond O, O minus. This is your acetate, ethyl plus. The name of the ester is common name ethyl and acetate, ethyl acetate. What is IUPAC name of this compound? Our ester, ethyl 2 carbon eth single bond N O8 ethanoate. Ester name end with O8. Like ethyl alcohol, phenol undergo reaction with the acetic acid in the same manner. For example, aromatic alcohol phenol C6H5 OH when treated with the acetic acid CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is your phenol hydroxybenzene when treated with 2 carbon eth single bond N oic acid ethanoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. H plus from phenol and OH minus from carboxylic acid removed as H2O. This carbon plus is added to O minus, gives the product. What is that product? C6H5. This minus is added to that plus C double bond O CH3 plus loss of H2O. CH3 C double bond O minus is called acetate. This one is phenyl. Therefore, name of the compound is phenyl acetate. Phenyl acetate is the common name. Phenyl ethanoate is the IUPAC name. Phenyl eth N O8 ethanoate. Phenyl ethanoate IUPAC name. Why here concentrated acid is used? The reaction with the carboxylic acid and alcohol takes place in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. The reaction is reversible in nature. You see, the reaction is reversible in nature. Therefore, water is removed as soon as it is formed. Water is removed as soon as it is formed. Because the reaction is reversible, to avoid the reverse reaction, whenever water is formed, it is completely removed by concentrated sulfuric acid. For that reason, corn sulfuric acid is used. Corn sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. Like this, alcohol undergo reaction with acid chloride or acetic anhydride. Ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol undergo reaction with acidic anhydride. 2 carbon eth single bond N OH ஆல் acidic anhydride. CH3 C double bond O, O C double bond O CH3. This is an acidic anhydride. This reaction is also carried out in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. H plus from alcohol and acetate minus from acidic anhydride is removed as acidic acid. This plus is added to this minus, gives our product is same product CH3 CH2. This minus is added to that plus C double bond O CH3 plus loss of acidic acid CH3 C double bond O OH. What is the name? Acetate CH3 C double bond O minus is acetate ethyl plus. So, ethyl acetate is the IUPAC name of this compound. Ethyl acetate, not IUPAC name, common name. You know what is the IUPAC name? Ethyl ethanoate. Like aliphatic alcohol, our aromatic alcohol phenol undergo reaction with the acidic anhydride. C6 H5OH when treated with acidic anhydride CH3 C double bond O, O C double bond O CH3 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It is a reversible reaction. So, as usual, like the above reaction, H plus from phenol, acetate minus from acidic anhydride, and this plus is added to this minus, gives C6H5O C double bond O CH3 plus loss of acidic acid CH3 C double bond O OH. C6H5 is phenyl acetate and ester. What is the name of this compound? Phenyl acetate, common name, IUPAC name, phenyl 2 carbon eth single bond N O8, ethanoate. Phenyl ethanoate is the IUPAC name. So, why here corn sulfuric acid is used? You know, it is a reversible reaction. As soon as the acid is formed, it is completely removed from the system. Therefore, to avoid the reverse reaction, therefore corn sulfuric acid is taken. Then one more esterification reaction, alcohol when treated with acid chloride. Alcohol, ethyl alcohol, CH3, CH2OH when treated with acid chloride, acetyl chloride, CH3, C double bond O Cl. The acid chloride reaction is carried out in presence of the base pyridine. Pyridine C5H5N, molecular formula for pyridine C5H5N. Why here pyridine is used? I will tell. H plus Cl minus removed as HCl. Acetyl plus is added to O minus, gives CH3 CH2 O C double bond O CH3 plus loss of HCl, same main product ethyl acetate. So, here why pyridine is used? The reaction takes place in the presence of pyridine. It is used to neutralize the acid formed. HCl is an acid. To neutralize the acid, pyridine is formed. The pyridine shifts the equilibrium to the right hand side. The introduction of acetyl group to alcohol and phenol is also called acetylation. One more carboxylic acid I used here is salicylic acid, very most important reaction. C6H4 COOH, here you have one OH. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid orthohydroxybenzoic acid is called salicylic acid. When treated with acetic anhydride in presence of an acid, acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3 in presence of corn sulfuric acid. Here H plus from alcoholic group and CH3 C double bond O minus acetate is removed as acetic acid. Acetyl plus is added to O minus, gives the main product, very most important product. What is that product? C6 H4. Here you have one COOH. Here O C double bond O CH3 plus loss of acetic acid. What is this? Is called acetyl salicylic acid, or very most important medicine compound aspirin, used as antipyretics and also analgesic with the loss of the byproduct CH3 C double bond OH. And this is esterification reaction of alcohol, phenol and salicylic acid we have completed. Next video, we are going to discuss about the reactions of glycol. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Okay, thank you.